Now we're gonna fit the heatsink. All right, bud, what do we got here? What do we got here, bud? Let's open this box. Oh, that's, okay, that's our first flaw right here. We have a packaging failure. Information. Oh, is that a real manual? I love how that came apart. Actually, it does appear they have something resembling a real manual here. Okay, well, we'll RTFM if we need to. Hardware de boîte. Oh, look at all this right here. Oh, we have our, because Intel mounts are crap backboard. Oh, it says AMD too, but why? They have better back supports built onto the board. Why would I need that? I know why. Because you're planning for every eventuality. Realistically, all I need is 2 of these guys. The 2 correct these guys. Heh, Master Gel Pro. Should we use this stuff? Yeah, sure, why not? Oh, what's all these little clippies? Okay, I might have to RTFM. Then we have some rubber spacers. Rubber spacers. Oh, they look like little... Oh, these go on the fan because the fan just clamps on. Okay, that's cool. Oh, look at that. They gave us a nice PWM splitter. I don't think he's gonna need that. I might hold on to that. The perks of doing computer builds. You can acquire some of the spare hardware. But then, you know, if they ever do need it in the future, you owe them. Where did I chuck the manual? There it is. Screws come in from the bottom. So it looks like Coolermaster's in the game of reinventing the wheel now. Because yes, they're asking us to remove the backplate, install their backplate. It's gonna have screws that peep through, put on their custom standoffs, and then mount their thing. Why would they do that when they could just have these guys, you know, put the right thread on there and the right length and have it bite right into the stock plate? Either way, we're gonna have to remove on these guys. You know, we talk about single-use plastic waste. I start feeling sorry for these guys. Even a lot of the stock AMD coolers remove these. So it's like, why even have them to begin with? Oh, I see. These little guys stick out a bit too much for us to just, These are not compatible threads, and they don't sit high enough. I always get a kick out of this custom little wrench dealie they give you. That's for their custom little standoff dealies they give you. Wait, what are these? No, they couldn't make those just screw in there, right? All right. Because it's such a good idea to replace that nice piece of metal with a flimsy piece of plastic that's gonna bow when we put the CPU mounting pressure on it. So we put the little poppers in the AMD slots, and then we put the little clips over top to hold it into place. Is this the correct clip, sir? Okay, doesn't even look like it's gonna be flat. It's like gonna put pressure on this little point here. This isn't another thing I'm gonna be modding and custom fitting, is it? This is gonna bow on the board and you're gonna be like, WTF? All right, let's take and put this cheap piece of plastic in place where that nice metal backplane was. Oh no, I got the wrong holes lined up. Good thing they just snap over. Oh yeah, that's nice, it moves around. They didn't think to give us little spacer things. I am unimpressed. Cause like I swear, my last Hyper 212, a few years ago now, that would mount. It would just screw right into the stock holes. Easy. No screwing around with chintzy hardware. All right, let's use their custom little wrench to, Okay, it looks like they made it so that it clears and goes nice. I guess we'll install this heatsink. We'll mock it up. We'll leave this guy on for the moment. And can we do something fancy like direct it upwards? No, it clears the RAM, assuming we don't have 4 sticks, but it's all about the standard insertion. So that goes like there, like that, yeah, and it looks like they gave us little tiny screws to fill that hole there. What the hell? Why? Oh, I got a thread in from the bottom. I seem like such a noob right now, but yeah, this is a very different mounting than the last Hyper 212 I installed. They've changed things on me, sir. They've changed things on me. The price of progress, things will not be as once they were. All right, let's mock that install and check for installation pressure. What the? Ugh, gotta take the fan off. Oi, that just kinda chucked to the wind. We are getting noticeable bending on the metal bars. So we bottom these screws out. Okay, Coolermaster, I'm starting to call BS on this. Is this the shape of things to come? Look at them poppers bending, bud. Like we have these springs, but no, those springs are high tension, stronger than these guys. So how's our board bow? Oh, you know what? Not bad. Our board isn't completely warping or noticeably at all. Now, is that the strength of the board or is that the strength of the back plate? Because if I, there's some clearance there, bud. There's like, yeah, we can slip, well, maybe, I don't know. I guess it'll be okay then. It's just, I wish these springs were a bit lighter so that it wasn't like completely bending the crap out of those. All right, well, time for another peel. Oh, time for a bit of surface prep. Wow, look at that nice surface there. Oh, that feels lapped AF, bud. That's a nice surface. That's better than... Okay, that's something they've improved since the last Hyper 212 I've worked with. Master Gel say what? Oh boy, that squirt, it just, it's excited. That really just shot out of there. So we got our P-side in the middle and some corner bits, which maybe should have been more edgelord, but it'll do. Especially that stuff's so liquidy. I bet you it'll sandwich in there nice. It's probably oozing right out of there. Oh yeah, bud, we def got some ooze action. I'm gonna call that good. So now we just get this monstrosity back into place. That's gonna plug into CPU fan. Tuck in behind these screws. Then I guess these hooks, we get these hooks into the, nope, into there. Huh, come on, bud, get into your holes. Think of your secretary. We're gonna scratch this guy up, trying to get those in there. It does too. It looks bent up and dumb. There we go. Relatively complete. So, relatively complete.